development.
Sekta mar wuoth dhi nyime kod dongruok bang' piny Uganda gi Kenya riwore kamoro achiel ma chako bero sekta no higa mokalo mar 2022 kanolose romo mar weche wuoth manobagi e kaunti ma Kwale. Jambetre ma Uganda Paul Mukumbya noyango ni jowuoth maromo 500 ma Kenya osebedo ka limo Uganda higa ka higa, ka jowuoth 200 ma Uganda bende limo piny Kenya higa ka higa. Riwruok e kind pinje ariyogo chano mar chako tuke mag golf higa ka higa kaka yor ywayo jowuoth mathoth e pinjego eko, ka jalup gavana ma Kwale Achirem Makombo bende wacho ni pinjego ni kod nyalo mar lando huma mar Afrika kaka pinje mabeyo kotenore kod weche mag wuoth.
Kenya is the #1 source market for visitors to Uganda. Last year, the figures that were recently released by our Minister of Tourism indicated that almost 500,000 Kenyans visited Uganda. And for Kenya, Uganda is the #2 source market for visitors. And last year, about 200,000 Ugandans visited Kenya. And Ugandans don't have to be many to cause an impact where they are. If 200 of them descend on your hotel for a wedding, by the end of 3 days, you may be calling on the neighboring hotels to supply you with some more drinks.
As a county government, the speech from the governor is assuring support. And I want to commit this, and I've said it several times. As a county government, we are committed to seeing another chapter of tourism activities, both in Uganda and the Kenya coast, Kwale County. We have been voted the best beaches for almost 7 years consecutively. What does that mean? That there are opportunities that we are not taking advantage.